Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting paper and preparing tools so you can work efficiently. Pick lightweight 7090 GSM for a typical sticky feel or heavier card for durability. Once chosen, measure and mark 3x 3-inch squares or your preferred size. Cut with a ruler and blade to keep edges crisp. Meanwhile, set out adhesive options, double-sided tape, a kneaded gum eraser, or a simple flour and water paste, so the next steps are ready. Once your sheets are cut, choose an application based on function. For removable notes, apply a 5 to 10 mm strip of double-sided tape along the top edge and press firmly. It peels and resticks. If you want repositionable tack, roll a kneaded gum eraser into a thin 1/8-inch strip and adhere small pieces to the back. It holds yet lifts cleanly. For low-cost permanent stickiness, spread a very thin flour and water paste. Let it dry until tack. You now assemble. Stack the cut sheets neatly, align the tops, and clamp or press them under weight for 30 to 60 minutes so the adhesive bonds evenly. Once bonded, seal the adhesive edge with a thin brush of glue or a strip of clear tape to protect the bond, and trim any misaligned edges with a sharp blade. If the notes peel off too easily, make sure the adhesive band is wider or allow the paste to cure longer. That adjustment usually fixes adhesion issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.